If you want to unclog your drain and go from this to this while using this, you're going to have to do it this way or it will not work. We just need 3 things: baking soda, white vinegar, and boiling water. The first step is just pouring the baking soda. And we're going to use a 1/2 cup of baking soda, right? This is a 1/2 cup. You see it? 1/2 cup of baking soda. Just going to pour it. Just try to work it in there, you know, around the drain. So we're going to put a 1/2 cup. Alright, 1/2 cup of vinegar, we're about to pour it in there, and we're gonna see like a reaction. Do you remember when you were in school and you made the volcano for your class project? And then you put the baking soda and the vinegar in there, and then the volcano erupted, and we were like, wow. So let's pour this vinegar in here. All right, so you heard that sizzle, but you don't stop here. So we did step 1, 2, and the third and last step, we're gonna pour some hot water into the drain to actually penetrate through. I had this crock pot right here that I've been boiling. I don't know if you heard that noise, but that was a crock pot boiling. And it doesn't really matter how much water you pour in there. So now let's do that. Let's pour this water and make sure it's hot water, hot steaming water. Boiling water, not just coming out your sink. If you need to boil it on the stove or whatever, do that. So let's pour it in there. You see all this stuff coming up a little bit? So let's see what it do. See the bubbles?
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And smash that bell notification.
So let's test it out. Let's run some hot water through here, the regular hot water from the sink, and see what it do. Okay. Okay, it's draining, it's working. Some of that stuff came up, you see all that. And you see it's going down very smooth. It's not holding water at all. Immediately draining, lovely. So that is it, that is how you do it. But here's some things you need to know in order to ensure that this would actually work. Drain the water out of the sink. Make sure the stopper is at its highest setting. And if you have to, just go ahead and remove it. And then make sure you're using hot boiling water. If you do those 3 things, it should work with no problem. The good thing also about it is you can repeat the steps. So if it's not draining all the way or as fast as you really want it to drain out, repeat the steps. You can do it as many times as you need to. Now, these are household items that most people have, but if you don't, and you don't want to go to the store, definitely check out the link in the description below, also in the comment section. Now, if you have a sink like mine and you need to know how to remove the stopper, check out the next video. It's a quick breakdown of how I was able to remove my stopper. And if you got value out this video, definitely check out the next video.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
And for those who have watched my video or have already tried it, let me know how this worked for you in the comments below.